Alright, so this is an Avis ADTI. This is my attempt for the blue belt. That's not the right pick. Here it is. This is a PN07. I just took a whetstone and just ground the tip a bit so the bottom of it is flat. That worked a bit better for me. Your mileage may vary. I'm just going to try to find a false set, touch everything just a little bit, medium tension. I don't know, I might have started a false set. Let's start over. Oh yeah, I did. Alright, tiny false set. A little counter rotation on that with 3, but I'm not going to go after it. Nothing. Let's go back to go to this one. This is Sparrow's heavy 25 thousandths pick. You can pry on this a lot. It won't bend. At least not unless you really mess up. Alright. Just set, I think 3. Alright, set 4. Let's go back to the beginning. So you can counter rotation 5 and 6, but I'm not sure I want to pursue them, seeing as how easy it is to overset pins. Okay, I just set 6. Still a full set. These are springy. Yeah, no binders. Reset it. Sometimes you get better luck if you tension it upside down at first, then flip it over. That way the pins are a bit closer to the shear line when they're under tension. There we go. False set right off the bat. Deep pick is hard to get under 1. Set 1. Come on. Okay, set it. Got 3. 3 set. Deep false set. Four is taking a lot of pressure. Let's try 5. I think I got him. 4 is no longer binding, means we overset. Let off, click. Let's try again. Touch every pin. You can recover from the false set. Let off, click. Feels a bit more solid. There we go. Back in false set. I'm stuck on 1. Okay. Alright, back in the false set. Overset 2 right there. Alright, set it. Alright, open. Finally. It took twice as long as normal. There we go. Yay. Alright, so that was the Avis 80 Ti, what is it, 50? Yeah, 50. Avis 80 Ti 50.